let's start off why I spent $14 for a basic pack. First, let me break down the 3 types. Common pack with prices starting at $9. Rare packs coming in at $99. Lastly, for those that want to spend that bread, legendary packs arrives at $999. Definitely watch till the end for information about my NBA Top Shot moment that I'm doing a giveaway with. So let's send it. What is up, Money Tribe? Mike Damazo here to help you make sense of dollars. Our mission is to help you get out of debt and build wealth. So usually I always do videos about financial independence and all things personal finance, but I want to switch it up and do more with NBA Top Shot. Now, full disclosure, this is not investment advice, so don't go breaking the bank with NBA Top Shot. So, alright, this is for you if you are brand new to NBA Top Shot or just got started and wanted to get more information. However, before I go over why I spent $14, let me explain. So NBA Top Shot, strategy of mine is to get to 100 moments right now. I'm sitting at 61 moments and have been purchasing during the dips in the marketplace. So sit down, grab some nachos, and let me tell you about these dips. If you see the movement in the marketplace, you realize that there are times, like after it drops, that a lot of moments are up for sale at a cheaper price. Now, my own baseline is going for lowest ask. NBA Top Shot marketplace is volatile. So if you have never traded cryptocurrency, you might not be ready for this. My own prediction is the marketplace will correct itself as more collectors arrive and people holding want to let go of their moments to cash in on those gains. Now, definitely the winners will be those holding their unopened packs. So to share a little bit of my story, I'm stationed in Japan. Being that I'm in Japan, I had to wait at 2 a.m. in the morning to be up to try to get into the queue. And fortunately enough, I was in the queue at a good time and I was able to get in and out in an hour. So I stayed up at 2, then go to bed around after 3 when I got my pack. It was definitely something that I wanted to open but decided to just hold off and save. Now, I got my pack, and as much as I've mentioned, I wanted to open it. I wanted to wait and share that experience in a future live stream. My plan is not to open any packs until I have about 8 packs saved. I like having 8 unopened packs for no rhyme or reason really, but just to have those packs, and holding those packs has that excitement of really not knowing what will be inside, and then I'd be ready for that disappointment if it's another Ish Smith card that I get, or in the best case, it's a LeBron, and I'm all for that hype. So definitely don't forget to tap that thumbs up for this video because it helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. So if you are wondering what are the best resources for NBA Top Shot, now these are all unaffiliated and just people in the community that I've noticed that is definitely putting in that time and effort into building this community. We'll go over the 3 places such as blogs, audio with podcasts, and my personal preference is video. The first website I want to introduce you to is Shot Newbie. So she created the blog to be a go-to resource for all beginners and newbies in this space. She posts about her quick rundown with blogs, tools, and sharing articles on NBA Top Shot that is covered by mainstream media. Next up, we have NBA Top Shot blog, which is actually their official website. So any official words as far as any drops coming, you can find it there. The specific section I like best is Dev Diary, and it's my personal favorite because you could see the time and effort they put into addressing any concerns that the community has, and as well as an update from the development team. Moving on to audio with podcast is the First Mint with LG and Friends. LG covers all things NBA Top Shot, discussing everything from big sales to upcoming pack drops as well. So LG's podcast is clean and crisp, and it's been easy to enjoy and listen to on his takes with NBA Top Shot. So for the next podcast recommendation is Own the Moment by TJ and Justin. They go over investing strategies in NBA Top Shot. I definitely vibe with their approach on sharing their own views with expected value and the general approach to this space. So, all right, we've covered text with blogs, audio with podcasts. Next up is my favorite with video creators. Now, these are people that don't necessarily stream and they just put their YouTube content, and it's helpful for the community. First up is Crypto, super early adopter in the NBA Top Shot, and is definitely an NBA Top Shot millionaire. His videos are entertaining and just fun to watch, especially when he's opening up packs and getting awesome moments that he's picked up. Then there's Jennifer Top Shot, another early adopter and was featured in NBA Top Shot's official YouTube channel. So she was featured in their stream. She does a great weekly update and also does great beginner tutorial videos for those interested. Now let's go over the tools I've used in making determinations on buying moments and watching the space. First off is the NBA Top Shot Discord server. It's definitely a lot to take in with a lot of members there, and it feels like it doesn't go to sleep. It's a great place to filter through and see the different trends, what people are feeling, and general announcements from NBA Top Shot. Next up would be cryptoslam.io. I like being able to see the sales volumes, buyers and sellers, plus sales statistics on the live marketplace. So their website doesn't just cover NBA Top Shot, but they also have CryptoKitties, and they also have different items as far as what is going on in the NFT space. And lastly is evaluate.market, where you can see more in detail with sales and volume trends. You're also able to check your own account there, or if you want to look at someone else's, you can put their username, their Top Shot username, and you could see, all the cards that they're holding and all that. So with this one, I like that it shows the average sales with the lowest ask, and even down to its trends of how certain players are actually selling and what their stock value is, and also the amount of moments owned right now as far as different moments goes. So spending $14 for an NBA Top Shot basic pack was an easy decision for me because I have not yet had any packs. I get more money with buying a pack as opposed to buying individual moments. Right now, I think the lowest is $14. There will probably be a new challenge coming in with these moments, and depending on the total cost, I may jump in on it. So question for you, the viewer, is have you picked up any NBA Top Shot packs yet? What is your favorite moment so far? Definitely sound off in the comments below and let me know. Lastly, well, actually, if you don't mind smashing that like button because it brings you good luck for picking up a pack from NBA Top Shot. Let me know what you think of this video. Sound off below. If you subscribe for NBA Top Shot content that I create, leave a basketball emoji in the comments to enter an NBA Top Shot giveaway that we'll definitely do the drawing for once we hit 5,000 subscribers. Check out my other videos covering personal finance, helping you get out of debt and build wealth. Stay legendary, and I'll see you in the next video.